Now is
Okay,
it?
okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. So, hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I'm also great, ma'am. Thank you for asking. Yeah. Okay. So, yes, this is first meeting, so I would like to introduce yourself.
Okay. Yeah. As you know, my name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from UP. And if I talk about my qualification, I am a MA B.Ed. I am a
Mm-hmm.
homemaker as well as I run a YouTube channel, English with Kalpana. And so that's all about me.
Okay. That's great. That's great. Okay, so I think you don't know about me. So,
No,
before you ask me question, yeah. So, yes,
yes.
I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra and recently stay in Mumbai. And I'm also housewife, but I'm doing job also. And simultaneously, I'm YouTuber. But there I'm practicing because I like so much this language. So that's why I created my channel, and there also I'm practicing. I'm talking to different people, and there I'm trying to build up my communication skill. So yeah, this is about me. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, I'm also trying to improve my speaking skills. That's why I created this channel.
Okay, actually,
Yeah.
great thing, great thing. All ladies, people are doing this thing, talking to different people and connecting. This is great thing actually. They are doing practice. So yeah, this is great thing. YouTube channel is great channel. Actually, yes. Yeah.
When I started my journey, I learned till now I learned more new things.
Okay.
And
Yes.
then most important thing is that before time I feel hesitate, sigh, and fear. I have a fear.
Hmm.
I never spoken English in front of anyone, but now I am speaking, so that's the good thing for me.
Yes. Yes. Actually, yes. Yeah. Definitely. Yes. Actually. So when you started, when you created your channel.
I have created my channel about fifth month ago.
Okay, 6 months ago.
But my
Okay.
spoken English journey is started after, sorry, before 3 months ago.
Okay,
It,
yes, yes.
yeah, in starting, I have a uploaded video story based on story.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
I think I watched that video, some yourself video. So then I seen how is subscriber there. Then I immediately subscribe you because I like actually that thing. Yes, yes. Good
So
thing actually. And now you are making video, talking to conversational video is great thing actually. Yes, definitely your English increase now. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you have any questions you can ask me.
okay. So when you start your journey, spoken
My
English.
English, actually, my English journey I started 2022 January, but it was my zero means very zero level regarding my qualification because my qualification is very low. That's why. And then my speaking journey I started 2020 3 I think. Yeah, 3 October. Yes, yeah. I started my speaking journey. No, sorry, to 2022 also because now it's 2023 going on. No, yeah,
Yes.
October since October 2022, I started my speaking journey actually. So yeah, and then I create my channel since October. 18 February, sorry, 18 February I created my channel. Then I upload three videos. Then again between I stop because I had no idea. Then March, between March, I started uploading videos. Started email those YouTuber. Those are making conversational videos. So then after that I started, so I didn't stop yet. Yeah. Yes, yes.
So, what type of job you are doing?
My job, sorry, my job is very small, baby caretaker. So yeah, yes,
Okay. No, work is small. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Work,
I have been
work,
doing job here last 8 years. Yes,
8 years.
yes, yes. Yeah.
So, do you have kids?
Yes, I have kids. I have two kids. My daughter, she is now pursuing BCom last year, and my son, he is just took admission chemical engineer. Yeah, I have two kids. Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's great.
But yeah, my qualification low, so that's why I'm very much eager to learn this language because anyhow I want to learn this language. So that's why I'm learning. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, we if we have a dedication for any work, then we can do anything.
Yes, yes, yeah.
And you
Okay.
have a great desire to learn this language, so that's why you learn this language.
Yes, yes, yes.
You learn this language.
Yeah, yes. Okay. So, ma'am, just I today I free, so I thought I seen means since morning I have been making conversation. So today I thought I means remember immediately someone texted me last week. So then who's ma'am that? So then I went there and then I thought no, this is ma'am. So then I text you again if you are free. So then make conversation. Yeah. Yes.
Today I'm free. That's why I replied.
Okay, so ma'am, definitely you are a housewife. So, would you like to making food?
Yes.
Do you like? Do you like?
Not interested. It means this is not my hobby, but yes, I am prepare. I
Same.
prepare.
I think
Yeah,
same look like me. I think yeah. I don't like also, but this is my responsibility, so that's why I'm making food.
I
Yes.
just that's why I have to do this.
Okay. So, what is your hobbies then?
My hobby is singing, dancing, and listening music, and reading books, which
Okay.
is related in English.
Okay, dancing and singing also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, so do you means are you taking any classes, dancing or music or no?
No, I have never taken any classes. Yeah.
Okay.
But
So you're
when I get
uh
free, and I try to myself to watch
okay.
videos and at this time.
Okay. So do
Yeah.
you have kids?
Yes, I have one kid,
How means who's there, girl or boy?
boy.
Okay. So do you try to learn the means dance or learn him, teach him dance or singing?
Yes, I try to learn him.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Okay, so then, yeah, okay, no problem. But now you are learning this language. It's a
Yes,
great thing actually.
yeah. At this time, I'm only focusing on my speaking.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is your future plan then?
If I learned this language, I have then I speak fluently. Then I want to teach. I love to teach. So
Okay.
that's and I want to be speaker. So if I get chance, then I will do this.
Okay. Okay. So now you are a housewife also, and you are practicing, and you are YouTuber. So how you spend your time, your practice?
Means how much time?
Yeah, how much
I
time
spent
you spend your practice? Yes,
1 hour.
1 hour.
1
Okay,
hour, not to fix time. Whenever I get free, then I try to practice.
okay, that's good. Okay, so then how many people will speak you? Means you make video. How many people will make video?
Uh, I have take 16th, 17th session.
Okay. You are counting?
Yes, yeah. Because in my videos I have mentioned my counting. That's why I learned. I
Okay.
remember this.
Actually, yeah, actually, great thing. Actually, between last week, I think last week, one conversation, while conversation, someone asked me how many people we spoke, how many people we speak yet, but I didn't count. So then I told I didn't count. No, that's why. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. When I have a having conversation with someone, then and when I upload that video, then I mention in my video counting. So that's why I remember this thing.
Okay. So good job. Okay. Okay then. So then ask me. You have any questions? You can ask me.
Okay. So क्या बोलूं?
Okay
Okay.
then.
So
Okay.
yeah,
You can ask me.
what qualities do you have?
Hmm.
Sorry, क्वेश्चन ही भूल गई. चलो आप पूछो कुछ भी.
Oh, sorry. You can remember. You can try to remember.
Okay. Tell me about your good qualities and any weak qualities you want to remove this.
Remove. Yeah. Actually, I have I have a good qualities because I talk to anyone friendly and free mind, and I believe with everyone immediately. Immediately. I trust them immediately, and I like sleeping whole day, but nowadays I remove that thing. Yes, because nowadays I'm making videos, so that's why I need to get up early, and yeah, so that's why I remove that thing actually. Yes, and I like play with kids. Yeah, I like to do fun always with anyone. Yes, and I like to talk to everyone every time. Yes, and yeah, but sometimes if I have any problems, some problems create some anything, any tensions. So at that time, I like to go to silent mood. I don't like talk to anyone, so there's that time I do not do talk to anyone actually. Yes. Then if I silent and then I think, so then I try to find out any solution. So that's why I go to silent mode, and now I want to remove that thing because I trust everyone immediately, so I would like to remove that thing. First of all, I don't means I want to first of all try to find out, try to how is that person, and then try to believe. So that thing I want to remove. Yeah, because sometimes people, we are speak confidently, we are speak friendly. So sometimes people try to, make fun. They, so that's why I want to. Yeah, but I want to speak with everyone positively. Yeah, this is my good thing. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. What about you?
About me, yeah, I believe in. I believe in by learning from my mistakes and experiences, and I believe in positive thinking. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and second, my weakness is I'm not punctual. So I want to remove that thing. I always avoid uh, work and for another time.
Okay, postpone. You try to postpone. I will do after.
Yes,
I will do after. Okay.
I try to postpone that work in next day and next time. So that's the bad thing for
Yes,
me.
yes, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
I want to remove this thing.
Okay, great, great. Okay.
But
Okay, then,
and
ma'am. Okay, okay,
yeah,
go ahead.
okay.
No, no, go ahead, go ahead.
I'm also like love to sleep in afternoon time. But when I started to make video to improve my speaking skills, then I'm avoiding this thing.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, that's good, good
Be-
actually.
because in this time I have a time. Then I try to improve. I try to practice with someone. So that's why I'm avoid this thing.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
And whenever you want to talk to me, then you can message me and talk to me.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Definitely, definitely, I will try. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
then. Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you.